Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In today's video, we're going to take a look at something that I have been interested in quite a long time. Now, I have the RayBan Meta glasses, Gen 1, Gen 2. One of the things that has always been a somewhat of an annoyance to me, it's not a huge deal, but it can be a problem at times, and that is how we have to go about charging these glasses. So this product was sent out to me recently to take a look at, so that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. This is a desktop charger that's designed to work with your RayBan Meta glasses. Now in the box, you're going to receive the starter manual. That's important to have, but I'll try to walk you guys through the entire setup for this. So as you guys can see, everything is very well packaged. First thing we find here in the box is going to be our USB cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-A cable, pretty long. So that's going to be great for plugging it into some type of power supply. All right, so what do we have here? Here's the actual charger. So let's take a quick look at that. Now it does have some significant weight to it. I can tell you right now, it feels really good in the hands. All right, so it has the little rubberized pads underneath here. It has the mounting point right here on the front when you set this down. So let's just go ahead and connect this to power so I can show you guys exactly how this works. All right, guys, so all you have to do is plug in like so, and you'll see the little indicator lights turn on. That's just letting you know that it is receiving power. And then you'll be able to take your RayBan glasses like so, and you'll be able to set them down on like that. Now they don't have to be open. I'm just opening them up so you guys can see completely how they connect. Now this is telling us that my glasses are completely charged. If this wasn't charged, it would have a different pulsing colors. So the orange means that it has charging power. The green pulsing means that it is charging. The solid green, like you guys see here, means that it is fully charged. And the red would indicate there's some type of charging issue with the device. But anyway, this is pretty much the way it looks. Of course, like I said, you can close the arms like so. Set this down on the desk. And there you have it. An excellent way to be able to charge your glasses pretty much anytime you want to. So if you're looking for a very efficient way to be able to easily charge your Meta RayBan glasses, definitely take a look at this little charger. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.